boys can order as much gourmet food as we want. And that's not all. We saved the best for last.
Hey, how's it going?
There's a private lounge in the back of the plane.
Hey, Jimmy.
Yeah.
Ow. You're not dreaming.
That was the $10,000 plane ticket. Point the camera up and down. And now we're at the $25,000 plane ticket that is up these stairs. That's right, there's floors. This is insane.
This is crazy. We're gonna be sitting above other people.
Oh my God.
This is your room.
For $25,000, you get 2 massive rooms.
Oh, this is crazy.